Good morning students, I welcome you to this video. In previous classes, we learnt about the nutrition and also the classification of nutrition. You all know very well about this autotrophic nutrition. In this video, you are going to learn about the heterotrophic nutrition. In this video, you are going to learn about this heterotrophic nutrition. Before we enter into the class, let me ask you some questions. First one is, what insect feed on human blood? Yes, you know the answer. That is mosquito. Mosquito will suck the blood from humans. Mosquito can fly, so they'll get the food from others. How the plant will get the food from others? You need to think of it. Second one, do you know about the plant which has the character of mosquito? The plant is also called the shellfish plant. What is the name of that plant? Really, it is very interesting. The name is shellfish plant. Yes. How can the plants get its food from others? Third one is, why plants need to get food from others? Plants cannot move, and also most of the green plants are called producers. Then why some of the plants need to get food from others? The answer is, there are some plants, they do not have chlorophyll. That is the important thing. Without chlorophyll, they can't absorb the energy from sunlight for photosynthesis. You know about this very well. So, these type of plants are called heterotrophs. Most of living organisms, animals, birds and some of the other living things are called heterotrophs. One or two plants are called heterotrophs. They need to get food from other living organisms. Yes, we need to enter into this topic, heterotrophic nutrition. Yes, what is heterotrophic nutrition? Heterotrophic nutrition is the kind of nutrition where an organism depends on other plants or animals for its nutrition. This is called the heterotrophic nutrition. Yes. Now we are going to learn about this parasitic plants. Some of the plants need to get their food from others. These type of plants are called heterotrophs and also the parasitic plants. In parasitic plants, two types are here. First one is total parasite. Second one is partial parasite. First one is total parasite. Second one is partial parasite. I am going to give one example of this parasitic plant. That name was orchid. Yes. See, one plant is growing on another plant. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. This plant is called parasite. This plant is called host. What is parasite? Parasite is an organism that gets its nutrients from host. The plant that gets its nutrients from this host. What is host? A plant from which the parasite derives its nutrient. This is host. What is the meaning of it? Host gives its nutrients to parasite. Parasite gets its nutrient from this host. So the host will become weakened because this host need to lose its nutrient for this parasite. Now we are going to learn about the two types of parasitic plants. First one is total parasite. Second one, partial parasite. I am going to give you the details about the total parasite. What is the total parasite? A parasite such as dodder that is totally dependent on the host for its nutrition is called a total parasite. This type of parasite, a plant, is totally dependent on the host. This is called the total parasite. In this parasite, dodder is a good example. All must look this diagram. This is a parasite. It is a dodder plant. This is host. Now I am going to give some details about this dodder plant. Why is dodder called a parasitic plant? Dodder is classified parasite because it absorbs nutrient from its host. It has no root when it matures and get food. All must look this diagram. Dodder is classified parasite because it absorbs nutrients from its host. It has no root. When it matures, automatically it gets food. What is dodder used for? We said dodder is a selfish plant. Listen, you need to be careful in this point. To get nutrient only it is selfish, but it is used in many ways for our treatment. Listen to me. Dodder is used to treat urinary tract and also it is used in the cancer treatment and also it is used for painkiller and depression. Listen, this dodder is used for human beings in many ways of their treatment. Okay, to get the nutrient only it is selfish. Okay, now we are going to learn about this mistletoe. It is called the partial parasite. Mistletoe is classified as partial parasite. Partial parasite means hemi-parasite, that is the half parasite. Yes, we need to know some details about this mistletoe. Mistletoe is a common name for parasitic flowering plant. It is a common name for the parasitic flowering plant that grow attached to and within the vascular system of a tree. This plant is growing on a tree. It has the hanging roots and also the clinging roots to absorb the water and also some nutrients. They do produce portion of their food through photosynthesis because they have leaves. It also have the green substance chlorophyll. So they can prepare the food partially. They'll get the water and nutrients from the tree. It has a photosynthesis. So this mistletoe is called the partial parasite. Now I am going to give the definition of partial parasite. A parasite such as mistletoe that is partially dependent on the host for its nutrition is called a partial parasite. Partial means half. Why? This mistletoe is having green leaves. So no need of chlorophyll. With the chlorophyll they can prepare the food. They will get only water and minerals from this host. Okay. Then now we are going to learn the uses of mistletoe. Mistletoe is a poisonous plant, but mistletoe is not known to kill humans. It is also a poisonous for animals, but they will use in some way. European mistletoe used in radiation therapy. This will reduce the side effect. What is it? This mistletoe is a poisonous plant, and also the European mistletoe only used in the radiation therapy to reduce the side effect in human beings. Yes, we all know the details about the total parasite and also the partial parasite. I hope you all can understand these type of parasitic plants very well. Today's assignments are, first one is, what is the heterotrophic nutrition? Second one, what is the total parasite? Third one, what is the partial parasite? These three definitions you need to learn and write in your notebook. Thank you.